The iSpring ASKRCC is a slide-out mounting kit designed for installing standard under-sink water filtration systems inside cabinets. The slide-out rail provides convenient access to the iSpring RCC-series RO water filter systems and more. Please follow along with the video for proper installation instructions. Before we begin, please carefully read the important notes section in the user manual. Ensure that all parts are included in the package before we proceed. Installation. Step 1. Determine where to install the rail. The rail can be mounted on either the right or left side of the cabinet. Step 2. Ensure the side with 4 hanging holes is facing up. The rail should slide towards the cabinet door. Mark the 2 large hanging holes located at the center of the rail with a pen or pencil. Step 3. Install the self-tapping screws at the marked locations. Be sure not to tighten the screws completely. Leave about 1/8 inch of space between the screw and the rail. Step 4. Locate the hanging holes on the water filtration system and align them with the rail. Install 2 M6 screws and nuts into the rail's hanging holes. Again, do not tighten the screws completely. Step 5. Hang the rail onto the screws on the cabinet wall. Ensure the rail is level and can easily slide out, then tighten the screws. Step 6. While the rail is slid out, install the other 4 self-tapping screws next to the hanging holes. Step 7. Hook the water system onto the M6 screws at the top of the rail and tighten the screws. Test the sliding function of the water system and arrange the tubing as needed. The installation is now complete. Please refer to the user manual or contact us directly if you have any questions. Thank you.